Today, I'm going to be reviewing the coolest cooler you have ever seen. This is the Igloo 70-quart Trailmate. What is really nice, as you can see here, this thing is a monster. It's got everything you need. Bottle openers on each side. It's got 10-inch wheels that can take on most terrain. It has umbrella holders, or you can put your fishing poles in there, which is very convenient. There is the 4 cup holders, as you can see here. There's also a place there to put your phone. You've got a table that moves with 2 cup holders in it. We have this little compartment here that is dry storage, so you can put your phone or anything else that you can fit. You can put your hand in there. So it's a pretty large space for what I think you're going to need if you're going to the beach or camping. Now, inside, it is really big. Like I said, 112 cans. You've got this basket here to keep your sandwiches and stuff away from the ice. You've got your drain plug down on the bottom, so this is easy when you're ready to go. Just open that up and let everything out. You also have a place to store the table on the outside. All you need to do is lift it up, and inside the lid of the cooler is a perfect place for that to fit. There's 2 little levers that you just, move down, put that one up, and it holds it in place, which is really nice. Then you also have the bar on the outside, and to get that in, there's actually a button. You're going to press the button on the outside. You just press it in. It's real easy, and it locks in place. I mean, they have thought of everything. This thing is perfect for all your needs. If you like to tent camp, up to 4 days of keeping your stuff cool, this will work great. If you like to go to the beach or wherever, this is something you didn't know you needed, but you have to have.